So guys, this website will allow you earn money from YouTube without having a YouTube channel, without having your own YouTube videos. So what you need to do, you come over here, put in your first name, put in your last name, put in your address, your city, your state, your zip code, your country, your phone number. Then one good thing about this site, they have so many methods to withdraw your money. So once you're through putting your phone number, your country, you come over here, click on this, you see this drop down menu, you pick any of these paying method that is suitable for you. For instance, if you pick PayPal now, you come over here and put in your PayPal information. Then you go over here and click submit. That is that. This site is real. You get paid from YouTube without having a YouTube channel. I want you to watch this video till the end. We are going to take you step by step on how you can actually use this site to earn money from YouTube. Alright, let's go. Welcome to Wonder TV. Today we have got another exciting edition all about wealth creation. Our mission here is to share knowledge, techniques, and tips to help you on your journey to building wealth. If you are new to our channel and have dreams of creating wealth, we would love for you to join our community. Just take a moment and click on the subscription button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell. By doing so, you'll be the first to know whenever we post informative videos, just like the one you're about to watch. Thank you for being here. So guys, we are going to take you step by step on how you can actually earn money from YouTube without having a YouTube channel or creating your own content. Alright, the first thing you are going to do is get straight to your PC or your mobile phone. Go to your browser, then type stringme.io. That is our first tool we are going to use. So once you type stringme.io, a page like this is going to appear on your screen. Once it appears, go to where we have register. Click on the register. Once you click on the register, you're going to sign up using your Gmail. Alright, so I'm going to sign up now. So I'm going to use, either you put in your username, email and password, or you go straight to Google sign in and you sign up. Alright, so before that you're going to click on this I agree terms of use and privacy policy. So when you click on that, you now go to sign in with Google. Click on it. After signing up, you are going to see a page like this. Alright, so when you get to this page here, you move to your right corner here, click on this, then you now click on profile. When you click on profile, it's going to take you to this place here. Here you're going to put in your first name, last name, put in your address. If you have more than one address, you put in two addresses, the first address and the second address. Then you put in your city, you put in your state, put your zip code, and then choose your country. After that, you put in your mobile number. Then this site here has many methods in which you can withdraw your money. So you come over here, click on this button, you are going to see a drop down. You select any of these payment method that is suitable for you. For instance, if I pick this PayPal, then you come over here and put in your PayPal details. So whatever payment method you pick here, over here, you come over here and put in your details. After that, you click on the submit button. That's the first thing to do. Then once you're through with that, go to your browser again, click on your browser, then type pinterest.com. Once you type pinterest.com, it's going to take you to this page here. Then you move over to sign up. Click on sign up. They should. So once you sign up, after putting your email address and your password, you sign up, you're going to be taken to this page here. So you choose, are you a male or a female? You pick which gender you are. You click on it. After clicking on it, you go to the next. The next one is select your country. After that, here we have what are your interests in. Alright, here you have to pick at least 5 niches that your interests are. For instance, here we are going to pick, let's take for instance, we are going to pick vehicles. Then we will go down, just pick the niches your interests are. Alright, we are going to pick relationship goals. Alright, you keep going down. Just pick the ones that your interests are in. Alright, so we have picked vehicles. Then the next thing here, in order not to waste your time, we are going to pick phone accessories. Alright, 2 more left. So you are going to pick cute animals. Then the last one here, let's look at something to pick here for the last one. Alright, the last one here, let's pick let's pick beauty. Then after that, you click on meet your home feed and you now click on done. Alright, that's the second thing to do. After that, the next thing you have to do is move over to your browser again, type youtube.com. So when you type on your browser youtube.com, you now go to, remember the niche you picked, so you go and look for things around it. For instance, I remember I picked beauty, vehicles, and the rest. So I'm going to go to beauty. Let me type something like beauty herb from Dells. Alright, we are going to see videos here that have to do with beauty. Alright, look at the one that has the most views. Okay, like this one has 2.6 million views, this one 19 million views, then this one has 421,000 views. Alright, so you go over to this one that has 19 million views, click on it. When you click on it, it's going to open. Alright, you are not to watch it. So after opening it, copy the URL of this video. When you copy, the next tool you are going to use is called YouTube thumbnail grabber. So you go to your browser again, type YouTube thumbnail grabber.com, and once you're done with that, this page like this is going to pop up. Then you now put in the URL you copied. After putting in the URL you copied, click on Get URL Images. So now we want to download the URL image of that video we saw. Alright, so once you click on it, the first image that appears here, you click on Download Thumbnail, Download HD Thumbnail Image. Once you click on it, it's going to be downloaded directly to your PC. Once you download the thumbnail of that video, the next tool we are using is called Canva. So you go to your browser, type canva.com. It's going to take you to a page like this. If you have not signed up on Canva, you sign up. Signing up is very free. So after signing up on Canva, you come to where we have custom size. Click on custom size. Once you click on custom size, go to where we have the width, put in 1080. Then where we have the height, put 1920, and then click on create new design. So after signing up on Canva and you create a new design, you are going to be taken to this page here. So once you are taken to this page, come to where we have upload. Click on upload, then go to upload files, click on it, go to where that your video you downloaded the YouTube thumbnail was. You now click on the thumbnail and now upload it on Canva. Once it is uploaded on Canva like this, you click on it, it's going to appear here. This is where you're going to do your designing work. So once it appears here, you drag it like this. Alright, so the next thing is to write the YouTube title of that video. The YouTube title of that video, let's check, is 27 beauty and makeup hacks for girl. 27 beauty and makeup hacks for girl. So you come over here, click on add. After clicking on text, come to add a heading, click on it, then you now type 27 beauty and makeup hacks for girl. Alright, after that you may choose to change the color of this text if you want to. If you want to change the color of this text, for instance, you come over here, click on this and you change the color, but I would like it to be in black, as you can see it like this. Alright, so after that, the next thing you're going to do, you're going to add your own note, a catchy note that will attract people to click on the video. So over here, you can type something like a must watch. Then you bring this one here down. Alright, once you're through typing your message, you now go to where we have element. Click on element, then you now type play here. Once you type play, you see all these icons here, play button icons. Then you pick the one that is free to use. So I'm going to go over here and look for the one that is free to use. Alright, like this one here is free to use. This one here. So you click on it and I see it here. You put this. After putting this, the next thing you need to do is you go over to where we have share, click on it, then click on download and download your work. Alright, after that, the next thing is you're going to move over to shrinkme.io. So after downloading your work from Canva, the next step is to come to Pinterest.com. Once you come to Pinterest.com, you click on Create. Then you go to Create Pin. When you click on Create Pin, you either drag and drop that your design from Canva here, or you just click on it. It will take you to where you have your design downloaded. Click on it and you upload it. After uploading it, come to where we have add your title. Type in the title of the video, 27 beauty and makeup apps for girls. After that, you come over here. Yes, tell everyone what your pin is about. So just say a bit about what this video is. So you can still bring your title back here, or you can type in anything you feel like. For instance, you can put something like this video to choose 3 12 top 2 cards. So you can just type in anything. So after this, the next thing you need to do is to go to streamme.com. Put in the URL. The URL of this video here we got on YouTube. This is the URL. Copy it. Go to Streamme. Put in the URL and now press this arrow. So this side you will shorten the URL. Alright, after shortening the URL, you copy it. Once you copy it, you go back to this Pinterest. Once you go to Pinterest, go to where we have add destination. Add a destination, then you click on it. Now put your URL there. After putting your URL, you come here and click on save. So after that, you're through with it. So now your pin is going to appear just like every other person's pin here. So whenever someone comes in and click on it and watch the video, you get paid by this Streamme. And in every 10,000 views, you get $220. So guys, that is that. You make money from YouTube videos without having a YouTube account, without creating your own YouTube video. So that is that. The moment people come here to Pinterest, click on your pin and watch the video, this site here, Streamme, will pay you for that video. Alright, thank you very much. Alright, that's all for today's video. Please feel free to drop your comments and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned for more insightful content on wealth creation, and until next time, keep reaching for your dreams. Thanks for being part of the Wonder TV family, and we look forward to see you in our next video. Take care.